Loving God, be our voice, be our prayer, reaching out, joining hands as we share. We seek your guidance through friendship and care. Loving God, be our prayer. Spirit God, be our breath, be our song. Blow through us, bringing strength to move on. Through change, through challenge, we'll breathe a new dawn. Spirit God, be our song. Spirit God.